Masoor Dal Masala bread. To make this high protein, grain free red lentils masala bread, you will need red lentils, baking powder, salt, olive oil, and Indian masala seasonings of your choice, such as turmeric powder, chili powder, and garam masala. Start by soaking the red lentils overnight to soften them. The next day, drain the water and grind the lentils into a thick bread like batter using very little water. The consistency of the batter should be thick and smooth, not runny. Add salt, olive oil, about 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and your chosen spice powders. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Pour the batter into a greased bread mold and let it rest for 15 minutes to allow the baking powder to activate. Bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until the bread is firm and cooked through. Let it cool slightly before slicing and serving. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, and share to help others in a low carb, gluten free journey.